Welcome to Research Rocks. If you're using Spotify music application and you don't have in a premium subscription, so don't worry, ViWizard are introducing Spotify Music Converter. Using the software, you can very easily convert your favorite song to as a MP3 format and you can very easily listen afterwards offline. No need to get premium subscription of Spotify. How to convert Spotify song? Let's start. First of all, I just simply open here Google and type here URL. I already added this URL in video description. ViWizard professional Spotify music converter, trusted for 10 plus year expertise. You can convert a favorite song as a MP3 and you can listen very easily as an offline point of view and download the songs. The software available for Mac and Windows as well. I have Mac, so I just simply download this one. Software size is very small, around 200 MB. Wait couple of seconds to download the software. Pricing point of view here, $19 per month, yearly subscription and lifetime. After finish the download and click here twice, just simply say agree. Using this process, you can very easily download the software and install the software in your Mac. I just simply drag and drop here. I already installed the software. Apply the same process. After complete this installation, I just simply open here app section, and before doing anything, we just simply click here in the settings section here in the ViWizard and then setting. Afterward here the general setting is available. Inside the general here I'm doing this process. You should apply this one as a conversation point of view, which format you want download or convert the specific song. So accordingly you should decide. I simply select here in here MP3 format. Afterward audio channel, stereo or memo, so I just simply select this one. Sampling rate, which sampling rate you are suitable, accordingly you should decide. I say here 48,000 gigahertz, and here the best quality of this one. Then save the lyrics, it's okay. Login yet in Spotify, but if you have account, so you should very easily log in Spotify account, sign up. If don't have, you should apply sign up. If you have account Spotify, say here login. So first of all, I just simply log in here. I successfully log in my Spotify account. Afterward, which song your favorite, single song or playlist, depend upon your one. And afterward, just simply drag and drop here this particular song in this addition menu here, the music. The song automatically convert here in this particular global area. So this is the song name. So simply select here and then after add to list. So add to list is here coming. Afterward, if you want change the song name, you should change the song name as well. And then simply say here convert. And look at this, the song is here, the convert as MP3 format. It means download as my local system. And if I say here click, so this is the song I downloaded here. If you see here, then simply say here, if I enter here in Spotify music, if you want download or if you want convert as a playlist, so you should apply here the playlist song as well. So if I click here in this entire playlist, so playlist come here in the 75 songs, and which song you like, accordingly you should check uncheck. If you like all of them, so simply say here add, and then successfully added those one as a converter point of view. And afterwards you just simply say convert. So 75 files is converted, it means download as a local system. Wait couple of seconds, depend upon how much file you are selecting here. I personally select here 75, so I need to spend here around 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards the files is visible here. It means this is the locally I downloaded those file and you already provided the location of the file. So files is coming here. How you provided the location, if you click here in the settings section and here the output, so here is the my location. If you want change the location, accordingly you should come here and then change the location, but this is the my file location. So all the files come here in this particular location here. That one is a song. So one by one all of the files is coming here. Sampling rate of this file and bit rate is 320 is the highest bit rate of the song. So song quality we are receiving much more impressive as compared to normally. So this is the one of the best and easiest way you should convert Spotify music as an offline system, and afterward you can share different devices as well and listen this music as an offline point of view very easily using this process. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.